Looking to level up your DIY projects or upgrade your toolbox with high-quality, versatile tools that actually make a difference? Whether you're a pro handyman or a weekend warrior, the right tools can completely change your workflow. Today, we've rounded up 9 must-have tools that will make your repairs, installations, and custom builds faster, cleaner, and a whole lot easier. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8. Magnetic Slide Jig. Installing drawer slides just got easier. This clever jig takes the guesswork out of drawer slide installation for ball bearing, epoxy-coated, or center mount systems. Simply press it against the cabinet face, and your slide lines up perfectly level with the correct setback. It holds everything in place while you drill, and built-in tabs align the slides flawlessly, saving you from crooked drawers. It's designed for beginners, but sturdy enough for pros. Number 7. Right Angle Clamp. Say goodbye to struggling with corners and frames. This 90-degree angle clamp fixes boards perfectly at corners or T-joints for gluing, drilling, or reinforcing. It's compatible with 90 degrees and even 45 degrees cuts, making it ideal for cabinetry, framing, and DIY furniture. Lightweight, durable, and extremely helpful when working solo. Number 6. Wi-Fi Endoscope Camera. Need to inspect a pipe, engine, or hard-to-reach space? The Karué Endoscope camera connects wirelessly to your phone and offers HD resolution with dual lens options. With built-in adjustable LED lighting, it delivers crystal-clear images even in total darkness. Ideal for auto repair, plumbing, or checking behind walls. Number 5. Soldering Iron Kit. This powerful 80W electric soldering iron has an adjustable temperature range from 180, 500 degrees Celsius, and an LCD screen for precision. Whether you're working on circuit boards or joining wires, it heats up quickly and maintains a stable temp. The full kit includes multiple tips, stand, sponge, and more, everything you need for clean, pro-level soldering. Number 4. Mini Drill Sharpener. Sharpen your dull drill bits like new with this compact electric sharpener. It supports sizes from 3mm to 12mm and runs at 1350 RPM. Perfect for DIYers who don't want to toss expensive bits. Despite its small size, it's efficient, low noise, and easy to use, even for beginners. Number 3. HSS Tap Drill Bits. This 6-piece tap and drill bit set is made of high-speed steel and includes sizes from M3 to M10. Each bit combines drilling and tapping in one step, saving time and boosting accuracy. With quick-change hex shanks, they're great for soft metals, aluminum, and more, perfect for any metalworking or frame-building tasks. Number 2. Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Prestormer Multi-Tool is a true game-changer. This oscillating saw and trimmer comes with variable speed control, letting you handle everything from cutting tiles and sanding wood to trimming door frames. Lightweight, durable, and compatible with multiple plugs, it's built for serious renovation work. Number 1. Wire Stripper Tool. If you deal with wiring, the LAWay Automatic Wire Stripper is a dream. Designed for 0.2, 6mm superscript 2 wires, it features a crimping tool, adjustable stripping length, and powerful chrome vanadium steel jaws. With a comfortable grip and strong return spring, it's built for speed, power, and precision. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.